This form is used to regularize employees who have ignored their punches. So as you can see, from date is by default set to yesterday, and to date is by default set to today. So as you can see, there are three filters. One is location filter, section filter, and schedule filter. By default, all locations, all sections, and all schedules are selected. So these are the employees who have ignored their punches in the range from date to date. So now I'm going to select a particular employee. So the employee details are populated into the fields, and his particular graph history of the particular year has appeared. And on that particular day, the number of times the employee has ignored details has appeared in this table. So now I'm going to regularize this particular employee. Before that, I'm going to tell that the reason is mandate here. So if you give without giving the reason, a message comes that the reason is mandate. So now I'm going to give the reason. So as the employee is a permanent employee, there are two options for him, either full day or a half day. I'm going to give him full day. Now if I submit, the particular employee will be deleted from the list as the employee has regularized, and a message comes that the employee is regularized. So here, other than the filter criteria, we can search a particular employee. So now I'm going to search a particular employee from the list, and if I click on search, only that particular employee which we have selected in the search box will appear. So now I'm going to click on the employee. So as you can see, as the employee type of that particular employee is contract, he has one option, that is we can set the number of hours for that particular employee. By default, the number of hours is the time gap between start time and the end time, and now I'm going to change 12 hours as 9 hours and give the reason as fever and submit. So as you can see, the employee has deleted from the list, and here comes the message that the employee is regularized. So now I'm going to change the to date as 1, and if I click on filter, you can see the employees who have ignored their punches in that particular date. So now I'm selecting a particular employee, and again I'm going to give him half day this time and give the reason as not punched and submit. So as you can see, the employee is regularized. And another thing is, here the clear button is used to clear the fields. So if you click on clear, as you can see, the fields were cleared. So if you click on a particular employee, other than the details of that particular day, we can see the regularization history of that particular employee for that particular year. So if I click on clear, the below tables were disappeared, only the punch ignored table remains. So this is it. So this is how we use the regularization form. Thank you.